Do not keep any object close to the induction cooktop. The inner fan runs frequently to release the heat from the internal chambers to prevent overheating and appliance damage. The food residues and dirt can stick to the bottom of the cookware due to grease deposits. Clean the cooktop for enhanced cookware performance and durability. Never start the induction without the cookware. Place the pan within the cooking zone. Sliding the cookware on the glass surface produces scratches and severe damage to the appliance. Never lift the cookware from the glass surface when the induction is running. The cooktop will produce an error code and beep sound. Choose induction bottom cookware to prevent warping issues. Look for ISI mark for greater safety. Wipe the water from the bottom before placing the cookware on the induction to avoid splattering sound and ensure glass material safety. If these tips helped you feel confident with your induction cooktop, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more energy-efficient cooking hacks and recipes, hit the subscribe button and share this with a friend who just got a new cooktop. Let's cook smarter together.